Explanation of all types of smoked bacon. Smoked bacon is a group of foods made by curing, salting, drying, or smoking meat to create a rich flavor and extend shelf life. Around the world there are many different types of smoked bacon depending on the type of meat, cut, preparation method, and culinary culture. Below are the most common types explained in detail. 1. Bacon. American British style bacon. Bacon. This is the most popular type of bacon in the world. Made from pork belly. Contains layers of fat and meat, becomes crispy when fried. Usually sliced thin. Characteristics: salty, fatty, crispy when cooked. Used in sandwiches, burgers, salads, and breakfast meals. 2. Back bacon. Canadian British bacon. Back bacon. Made from the pork loin back meat. Leaner than traditional bacon. Firmer texture with more meat. Characteristics: less fatty, more meaty. Common in traditional English breakfasts. 3. Canadian bacon. Canadian bacon. Essentially a type of back bacon popular in North America. Cut into thick, round slices. Characteristics: more like ham than crispy bacon. Mild flavor, low fat. Often used on pizza, e.g. Hawaiian pizza. 4. Pancetta. Italian-style bacon. Pancetta. Made from pork belly. Not heavily smoked like American bacon. Usually salt-cured and rolled. Characteristics: rich, fatty, lightly seasoned flavor. Commonly used in pasta dishes like carbonara. 5. Guanciale. Cured pork cheek. Guanciale. Made from pork cheek. A traditional Italian ingredient. Characteristics: fattier than pancetta. Melts easily when cooked. Very rich and intense flavor. 6. Turkey bacon. Turkey bacon. Made from turkey meat. Used as a pork alternative. Characteristics: lower fat than pork bacon, less crispy than traditional bacon. Milder taste. 7. Beef bacon. Beef bacon. Made from beef, usually belly or brisket cuts. Common in countries that avoid pork. Characteristics: stronger flavor than turkey bacon. Slightly chewier texture. Distinct beef aroma. 8. Speck. Alpine-style smoked meat. Speck. Originates from the Tyrol region, Italy, Austria. Combination of salting, light smoking, and air curing. Characteristics: light smoky aroma but very flavorful. Firm texture. Often served with bread or antipasti. Quick summary. Bacon crispy, fatty, most popular. Back bacon. Canadian bacon leaner, more meat. Pancetta. Guanciale. Italian style, rich flavor. Turkey bacon light, low fat. Beef bacon pork alternative. Speck lightly smoked European style.